This real estate advantage property video is presented by Julia McMahon. Well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath condo in desirable Chautauqua Estates, offering outstanding value for the money. Enjoy a relaxed, low-maintenance lifestyle with resort-style amenities right outside your door, including pickleball and tennis courts, an in-ground swimming pool, a children's play area, and over 1,200 feet of shared shoreline with expansive green space. The spacious floor plan features comfortable living and dining areas, central air, and a private deck, perfect for morning coffee or evening sunsets. The primary suite offers a private bath, while 2 additional bedrooms and another full bath and half bath provides plenty of space for family or guests. Mostly furnished, whether you're looking for a year-round residence, vacation getaway, or investment property, this condo delivers location, amenities, and value all in one. For more